so tired of seeing personal trainers busting their ass, sending out hundreds of cold DMs every day and still struggling to make a decent living. It's like being stuck in a never-ending rat race, and believe me, I've been there. Yo, what's up, guys? I'm Eric Anthony Klima, CEO of PT Legends. No more than a few years ago, I was living in my mom's house, completely broke, and got fired from the gym I was working at. I was at rock bottom, wondering how the freaking hell I was going to make it. But fast forward to today, I'm pulling in up to 200K cash a month, living in my dream apartment. I just got the 2 Comma Club award, and I've got an amazing team running my business, and I have an automated acquisition system so I don't have to work 24/7. And now my mission is to help other fitness trainers and coaches do the same. I've helped over 700 coaches, businesses break free from the rat race and become full-time online coaches. People like Laura Brown, who went from an in-person trainer making, I think, 2 to 3K a month to 15.5K cash in 1 month. Jesus, who went from in-person trainer, underpaid, overworked, undervalued, who hit 30K cash in his second month of joining us. His first month, he made 10K. In Asia, who banked in 20K in just 23 days of starting with us. And that's just some examples of hundreds of people that change their lives with online coaching. So I'm just telling you that so you know you're in the right pace. So if you're ready to escape the 9-to-5 grind, start living life on your own terms, and join the ranks of successful online coaches I've helped, then pay close attention. I'm going to share my proven strategies for attracting and closing high-paying clients, even if you're starting from scratch. I'm about to drop some serious knowledge on you guys that's going to help you level up and start making the money you deserve. All right, let's get straight into it. The first thing you need to do to sell high-price coaching is to stop obsessing over the price tag and start focusing on the value you're delivering. When I first started out, I was charging way too little because I didn't believe in myself, and I was still kind of skeptical to high prices. But as I gained more experience and saw the results I was getting for my clients, that evidence made me realize that coaching was worth way more than I was asking for. And part of that realization came from understanding the importance of presenting myself as confident, professional, expert on camera. Listen, now only 1% of people who post fitness content have the balls to go on camera and actually provide value. Most of them are just posting generic workout videos and hoping for the best. But when you have the courage to step up, talk to the camera, and give real valuable advice, like I'd like to say I'm doing right now, that's when you immediately position yourself as the go-to expert in your niche. When high-paying clients invest in you, they're not just investing in a program or a meal plan, they're investing in the person behind it all. They want to work with a coach who's confident and who can help them develop that same confidence in themselves. For example, my client, Laura Brown, she started creating videos where she actually talked to the camera and provided valuable insight. Guess what happened? Her videos went viral. She's getting millions of views on each reel. Why? Because people could see her confidence, her expertise, and they wanted a piece of that for themselves. So when you're creating content for your ideal clients, don't just focus on the workouts or the meal plans that everybody is doing. Do something different. Show them that you're confident, professional expert they need help with. They need to help them transform their bodies and their mindset. Create videos that address their specific pain points, share success stories of people just like them, and most importantly, have the balls to get on camera and show them what you're all about. When you do that consistently, you'll attract the exact type of high-paying clients you want to work with. Because at the end of the day, people do not just want a trainer. They want a leader, someone who can guide them being the best version of themselves, inside and out. And when you present yourself as that leader, that professional authority in your niche, that's when your clients will happily pay premium prices to work with you. So stop hiding behind generic content. Start putting yourself out there. Be yourself. Show your ideal clients that you are the confident, valuable expert they've been looking for, and watch your business explode. It's time to make some serious money doing what you love, guys. All right, so let's talk about closing those high-paying clients. Now that we're attracting the right people, you can't just sit back and expect your content to do all the heavy lifting. At some point, you got to get on the phone and seal the deal, baby. But here's the thing. Most coaches approach sales calls in the wrong way. They're focused on pitching their program, talking about their trainerize program and they forget to connect with the person on the other end of the line. And that's where they fuck up. So imagine you're on the gym floor for a second now. You're working in the gym, you're an in-person trainer, and you spot a potential client struggling with their workout. What do? Rush over and start rambling about how great your personal training is? No, you strike up a conversation, ask about their goals and challenges, and actually give a shit. Guess what? You got to actually give a shit about what they have to say. And that's exactly how you need to approach your sales calls. It's not about you or your program. It's not about the product. It's about them and their needs, giving a shit. When I first started doing sales calls, I was nervous as shit. But you know what? The more calls I made, the more comfortable I got. And the more I focused on building a real connection, the easier I became to close them into high ticket deals. I just listened and cared. So here's what you got to do. Treat every sales call like a conversation with a friend. Ask questions, listen more than you talk, and show some genuine empathy. When you make it about them and their struggles, they'll start to see you as someone they can trust. And that's when the magic happens, baby. When you've built that trust and shown them that you actually give a damn, they'll practically be begging to work with you. You won't have to overcome objections anymore. They'll see you as the coach they've been searching for all along. I've had sales calls where the client spent the first 20 minutes bitching about how much they hate their body. And you know what I did? I listened. I didn't say a single word. I showed them that I understood their pain and that I was there to help them. And I've been there before. By the end of the call, they were ready to invest in themselves, begging me to ask how much the price was and to make a change. So if you want to start closing high paying clients or high ticket, whatever you like to call it, it's time to level up your sales game. Stop focusing on your pitch, start focusing on the person. Build that connection, show some heart, and watch your closing rate skyrocket. Watch it go through the roof. And if you're still shitting your pants about sales calls, just remember this. You're not selling a coaching program. You're offering a transformation. You're giving them the chance to become the best version of themselves, to live longer, to feel stronger, to feel more confident. And when you truly believe in the value of what you're offering, that confidence will shine through. It will transmute to them. So get out there, guys, and start having some real conversations with your potential clients. Show them that you are the coach they've been waiting for, and watch as your business explodes with high-paying clients who are happy to work with you and stick with you. Number 3, okay? Listen up. If you want to start charging premium prices and attract those high-paying clients, you can't just be another generic trainer. You need to become a true expert in your niche and create a coaching experience that goes above and beyond. I know it might seem daunting, especially if you're just starting out. Hell, I've been there. When I first started, I was charging a measly $100 per client and providing the same generic dog shit that everyone else does. But as I gained more experience and really dove deep into understanding my ideal clients, realized that I needed to create a coaching package that wasn't just about workouts and meal plans, but about solving their biggest pain points. And that's exactly what you need to do to reach the same level of success. You got to put yourself in your client's shoes, understand their lifestyle, their challenges, and their stress points. Let's go back to our example of busy executives. These guys are constantly stressed out, short on time, and need more than just a generic fitness plan. So what do? You stop wasting your time sending hundreds of cold DMs per day. You create a coaching package that's tailored to their specific needs. You offer one-to-one calls where they can offload their stress and get the support they need. Provide them with relaxation techniques, morning and bedtime routines, and time management tools to help them prioritize that time towards their health. When it comes to nutrition, you don't just hand them a basic meal plan. You create a list of low-calorie nutrition meals that they can grab on the go from recognized places so they can stay on track even when they don't have time to meal prep. When you start offering this level of customization and support, your clients will be happy to pay you premium pricing because they know you're not just another freaking trainer, but an expert who understands their unique needs. And here's the thing, when you create a coaching experience like this, you're not just selling them a workout plan, you're becoming their trusted advisor, their go-to expert for all things health and fitness. You're almost damn near like a therapist. You're helping them to become the best version of themselves. And that's worth more than any generic P90X bullshit fitness program. Now, I won't lie to you, creating this type of coaching experience, it takes work. It takes time, it takes effort, and it takes making mistakes and failures. And a commitment to constantly learning, improving, and improvising. You got to be willing to put in the hours to educate yourself on your ideal client, get to know them, and to never settle for mediocrity or a basic ass program. But when you do that, you'll have high paying clients lining up to work with you, praising you to their friends and colleagues. You'll be able to charge what you're really worth and build a coaching business that truly changed lives. Now remember, one client can get you 20 clients, right? I'm exaggerating here, but if one client gets you another client and they recommend another client, the most powerful form of leverage is referrals. And with fitness, referrals go through the roof. So if you're ready to level up your coaching game and start attracting those high paying clients who are going to give you referrals and friends and family, it's time to niche down and focus on creating the best experience possible. Put in the work on the back end, focus on service delivery and results, and watch your business explode. And watch your clients last longer too. Because when you do that, there's no limit to what you can achieve. You have the freedom, you have the marketing material to demand pricing at what you're worth, to work from anywhere, and you'll have the financial security to never worry about money again. And the satisfaction of knowing that you're really making a real difference in people's lives. So far, we've covered a lot today, but here's the thing. If you want to see real results and start attracting those high paying customers, you need a proven system to make it work. And in 2024, posting content in cold DMs no longer works. That's exactly what you'll get when you book a consultation with me and my team. We'll dive deep into your business, identify your unique strengths, kind of like what I'm teaching you today, and create a customized plan to help you start charging what you're really worth, and will allow you to install our funnel into your business. You'll get access to done for you content, weekly coaching calls, a supportive community of like-minded coaches, and even a team of VAs and appointment setters to help you scale your business even faster. And the best part is this call is completely free, no risk, no obligation. We're here to help you succeed because your success is our success. So if you're ready to take your coaching business to the next level and start living the life of your dreams, click the link below this video in the description and book your free consultation today. Let's do this together, guys.